This is a gorgeous tie-dye cropped hoodie. We were sent to review it from Arshiner. I'm in love. The colors and the pattern is just really, really nice. This is size 9-10. She usually wears a size 8, so that's why it fits her like a regular hoodie. But if you order your true size, it'll be more of a cropped fit. It's even got a little chin guard here for the zipper. Great little detail. Nice pockets for your hands. Put your hoodie up.
I don't like that.
I know. Why does nobody like to put their hoodie up? I don't know. But we gotta see it. What if it's cold or raining?
Then I'll put it up.
Okay, yeah, so that's all we gotta see. Super cute. Oh, I love it, I love it. Wrists here and at the waist as well, so you could like, you know, poof it up. Throw in the washer dryer, easy care. With the whole vibe here. Oh, it's so cute. Whee.
So cute.
It's like a thinner hoodie, if that makes sense. It's not a fleece lined one. We love this hoodie, and we know you will too.